Hi, this is Jed with ForexStrategySecrets.com. Very elated today. Like the slide says, we're on fire. Our team is doing some amazing stuff. We have been doing fantastic. Today is November the 13th, 2018. Want to showcase what has happened so far today. Slides you're going, or screenshots you're going to see from our traders came from the European session as well as the U.S. session. John here, our Irish giant, did 17 pips in the Euro Yen. Then in the USJS he did 3 different positions for a total of 159. Ken in the Pound Yen did a 60 and a 69 pip trade, 2 of them. And then again in the Euro CAD he did 11.8. Alberto did 77, 27, and 46. Here I did in the Pound Yen a trade going short for 19 pips, then it turned long on us and I did 40, 5.6, and 13. At the same time the Pound Aussie did 41 and 15, and at the same time I was trading the Pound Yen, I was trading the Euro Yen. I got 4.6, then it turned on us, I got 1 pip, then was able to jump back in when I realized things were flying, and it started giving us better signals than I was getting for another 1.5 and 4.1. Not huge hits, but just some base hits there. Here are my totals for the day. In all fairness, just so that we can be completely transparent, prior to the slides I showed you of my trades, I did sustain a handful of small losses. They totaled 45 pips. Then I was able to capture 77.6 in the Pound Yen, 59 in the Pound Aussie, 10.3 in the Euro Yen, for a net profit on my pips of 101.9. That's a little bit more than a full set of Dalmatians for you. Anyway, very ecstatic about what we're seeing here. Our traders are doing really well. We've got people that are brand new that are starting to see some success already. We do have a lot of opportunities for people to learn what we're doing. Come take advantage of our workshops, our programs, and if you feel you need it, we actually even have some coaching options available. You can make these kind of pips. This is really a fun strategy to learn. It's an easy strategy to learn, and with the tools in place you can really start to see some good profits. It's exciting. I don't know how else to word it. We want you to come take part in this. Come be a part of what's happening. Don't just be a sideliner. Come actually participate. Get involved. Make some money. This is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets, signing off.